Hi everyone. Now I'm going to start what is a organization policy. So before starting the organization policy, you need to just learn what is a organization, what is a folder, as well as what is a project. If you haven't watched that video I already made related to this topic, please follow all the series of GCP videos so you will understand better. As well as I want to clear one thing that organization policy only you can use when you have access of organization level. If you are using the free account, you cannot access the organization policy. So what is the organization policy? So organization policy is policy when you are giving some user access to your project. Means if you are giving the access on your project to some other user, so sometimes what happened, you don't want to just give the full access to that user. He can just create a service account or download that JSON key. Means if somebody will download that JSON key, means whatever credentials your project is using, he can also able to access. So that using the organization policy, you can just revoke this. As well as the second scenario, I can just take it if I am deploying any project. So I want deploying my project only the certain area, like certain region. Like I am from belonging from US, so I want to just deploy my project only the US region, not Asia region, not Europe region, only the US region. If you want to give some other user access on your project, so he will also able to only deploy their project only the certain reason. Other reason would be the restricted from your side. So this would be possible only when you have the organization policy. So how it is work? So if you are using the free trial account, you won't able to create the organization policy. You need to have your own domain to make the organization, then you able to use the organization policy. But it is very important concept to understand. So how it is work, let me just show you. Suppose I am currently in my screen, this is a organization, this is a folder, and this is a project. So whatever changes I will make from the organization side, it would be applicable only the project as well as folder. So means it will be inherit when you will make the organization policy. So it will be inherit with folder as well as project. So let me just show you. I am going to check with my original organization. So currently you will see like I have this organization and I want to just create organization policy that would be applicable to all the folder as well as project inside. So I want to uh, create one organization policy. If I am giving any project access to someone, so that person cannot be download the service key in your local computer. So let me just do this. So here you will see disable service account key creation under the organization policy under the IAM side. So let me just click it, and I am using the my super admin account. So here is my super admin account and I want to give access to this user. I want to access to this user. This user right now able to download the service account. So let me just show you. So this user I already given the editor access, means he this user can do anything right now before the organization key creation policy. So let me just show you if this user can create the service account. So I am using the test service account like this, and I want to just create the service account. So this user can create the service account as well as this user also can create the JSON key and he can use all the permissions. So here you will find out create new key JSON, and he can able to download JSON key before organization policy. Here you will see it downloaded. But I don't want to you know, let me just refresh it. So after refreshing, you will find out this user can download the JSON key from the service account. So I don't want to do this to my user to create the service key from the service account. So this I am right now deleting it. Let me delete it and let me go back, and you will find out there is no key right now. Let me just refresh it. Yeah, there is no key. This test service account I created. So right now there is no key. So after that, let me just show you. Let me create that service account key creation organization policy from my organization level. So it would be applicable in project as well as folder. So here manage policy. In manage policy, you have to override parent policy and you have to set the rule like enforcement should be on and done. After you can test it, otherwise you can set it without testing. So let me without testing set it. So now you can check the status. It is enforced. So right now it is enforced by the organization level, means this policy applied, I applied in organization level, but it would be applied in folder level as well as project level. Let me just show you. So when I click it here, uh, folder, so automatically you can just see it already enforced. Let me just check with under the folder any project. So it is already inherit, it's enforced. Means whatever project, so all project it this rule would be applied. This projects, so it's already enforced. So again, I am going to just check it. This user can download the key creation or not. Let me just refresh it. And earlier I was able to download the key creation. Right now, let me just check it again. So key, let me just check. I am able to download the JSON key or not after creation the organization policy and create. Yeah. So service account key creation is disabled. So why it is disabled? Because we have given our user to creator role, means our user to editor role, but he cannot download the service account key creation as a high chance of our protect credentials. So this is a way you can create the organization policy if you are working using the organization account. Thank you so much.